A very good morning, class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, okay, ratio and proportion, which is on page number 103. So first, okay, you have to understand what is a ratio, okay. So ratio is the comparison of two similar quantities by division. So whenever we compare the two similar quantities, we have to compare, like if you compare time, okay, you have to compare time with time only. If you compare mass, you have to compare with mass only, okay. So you have to compare the two similar quantity, and the symbol for ratio is, this is read as is to, A is to B, okay. So it is read as A is to B. Now A is to B, okay. This A is called the antecedent and this B is called the consequent, and this A is to B can be written as A divided by B. This is called ratio, okay. Whenever we compare the two similar quantities, okay, we can only compare two similar quantities, A is to B, okay. So A is to B, A is antecedent, B is consequent. This is called ratio. Now another one is proportion, okay. What is proportion? If you take two ratios, two equal ratios, then the four numbers forming the two ratios written in order are said to be in proportion. If you take two ratio, A is to B and C is to D, if the two ratio are equal, then these four numbers A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion, okay. This first number is called the first term, second term, third term and fourth term, or first proportion, second proportion, third proportion and fourth proportion, okay. Now we have to write like this, no, proportion A is to B is equal to C is to D. This middle two numbers are called the means, okay, means, and these two which are present at the extreme end are called the extremes. This is mean, this is extremes. Extreme means. Now next one is, if the four numbers are in proportion, okay, suppose A, B, C and D, these are four numbers. If they are in proportion, then the product of means, if you multiply these two numbers, is always equal to the product of the extreme, okay. So this is the condition for proportion, okay. If the four numbers are in proportion, then product of means is equal to product of extremes, okay. That is B into C is equal to A into D. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. So with the help of these concepts, we will solve now exercise 7.1. So here the first question is, express each of the following ratios in the simplest form. So here these are ratio, okay. We have to express in the simplest form, means we have to cancel the number, okay, and we have to reduce it to the smaller one. So here ratio can be written in this form, 24 by 72. Now both are even numbers, no, we can cancel with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now you know 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So answer is 1 is to 3. Next is 80 is to 112, okay. So both are even numbers, so we can cancel with 2. 2 4s are 8, 0. 2 5s are 10, remainder 1. 2 6s are 12. Again we cancel with 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now we can cancel with 2 again. 2 10s are 20. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So answer is 5 is to 7. Now next is 629 by 407. These two numbers can't be cancelled by any numbers, okay. So answer will be 629 is to 407. Now number 2 is, find the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity in its simplest form. So here I have already told you that we can compare only the similar quantity. Both are rupees. So we can write in ratio 7 is to 1.75, okay. Now next is 7 divided by 1.75. See, here is decimal point, right? So when we remove the decimal, okay, what we have to do, we have to write 0. No, we have to write 10 or 100. It depends on the number after decimal. There are two numbers after decimal, so it should be divided by 100. So instead of writing here, we can write up also. Whenever you remove the decimal from numerator, you can add in the denominator, okay, 10, 100, and if you are removing decimal from the denominator, you can write in the numerator, okay, it will be easy. So we can cancel this 100 and 175. So let's cancel by 5. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 3s are 15, remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So answer is 4:1. Next is 5 meter and 150 centimeter. This is meter and this is centimeter. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter. That means in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. So in 5 meter there are 100 into 5, that is 500 centimeter. So in place of 5 meter you have to write 500 centimeter and 150 centimeter. Now we can write in ratio is equal to 500 is to 150 is equal to 500 divided by 150. Cancel 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 3s are 15. So answer is 10:3. Now here is 6 hour and another one is 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay, so one is hour, another is minute. So minute is smaller unit, so we will convert into minute. And we know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, in 6 hour how many minutes will be there? 6 hour means 6 into 60. That means 360 minutes. In 1 hour, in 6 hour there are 360 minutes. We will write here 360 minutes. And here is 1 hour and 50 minutes. You know 1 hour is 1 hour 50 minutes. We have to convert into minute. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 50 minutes is 110 minutes. So this is 110 minutes. So we have to, both are minutes. Now we can compare, we can write in ratio 360 by 110. 0 0 cancel. Now since 11 is a prime number, okay, it cannot cancel this 36 also. So 36:11 is answer. Another one is 6 liter and 625 milliliter. So here one unit is liter and another one is milliliter. Okay, so milliliter is the smaller unit, so we will convert this liter into milliliter. So in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter, and in 6 liter there are 6 into 1000 milliliter. That means 6000 milliliter. In place of 6 liter you have to write 6000 milliliter and 625 milliliter. Now both are milliliter. Now we can write in ratio 6000 divided by 625. Now we will cancel by 5. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Now again we can cancel with 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 0. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again we can cancel with 5 because the last digit is 0 and 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40. So answer is 48:5. Answer is 48:5. Now next question is rewrite the following ratios with their terms as natural number. So here, okay, this part is in fraction. Now we have to make it a natural number. Okay, so how to do this? And I have told you that is to means division. Okay, 1 divided by 6 upon 7. So this is division sign. No, when we convert this division into multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal. 7 divided by 6 is equal to 1 into 7, 7 by 6. So the answer is 7 is to 6. Next is 7 by 12 is to 2. So 7 by 12 divided by 2. Okay, whole divided by 2. So this is 2. No, in place of denominator we can write here 1. Now whenever we write here multiplication, this fraction will become reciprocal, 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply here. 7 into 1 7, 12 into 2 24. So answer is 7 is to 24. Now next is 5 1 by 2 is to 3 2 by 3. So both are mixed fractions. So we have to convert into improper fraction first. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 2. Okay. Divided by 3 3s are 9 9 10 11. 11 by 3. So now this ratio we have to write in fraction. 11 by 2 whole divided by 11 by 3 is equal to, now this fraction, this lower fraction will become reciprocal when we write our multiplication sign. 3 divided by 11. 11 11 cancel. So 3 by 2. Answer is 3 is to 2. So next question is question number 4. Which of the following sets are equivalent ratios? Okay, equivalent ratios. You have to check. Equivalent means whether they are equal or not. Okay, first one is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 and another one is 27 by 45. So let's cancel this one. Okay, let's reduce into smaller one. If we get 3 by 5 here also, then they are equivalent. So we will cancel by 3. Okay, 3 9s are 27 and here 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again we can cancel by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So here also we got 3 by 5. That means they are equal. Therefore, they are equivalent ratio. Now next one is 7 by 4 and here is 126 by 64. This is already in simplest form. So we will cancel here. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 63 by 32. Now they can be cancelled. So we got different. They are not equivalent. So they are not equivalent ratio. Next one is 135 divided by 30 and here is 9 by 2. It is already in simplest form. We will cancel this one. We will convert into simplest form. We can cancel with 5. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, remainder 3, 5 7s are 35, 5 6s are 30. Now we can cancel by 3, okay. 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6. So we got 9 by 2, 9 by 2. They are equivalent. Next is compare the ratios in each of the following. So we have to compare, okay. We have to check which ratio is more, which ratio is less. Okay, so here is 5 by 6 and another is 6 by 7. By just looking at this fraction, you will not come to know which fraction is more, which fraction is less. For that, we will take LCM of 6 and 7. Since I have already taught you how to take LCM, 6 and 7. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, then 7 1s are 7. So here LCM is 42. Okay, this 42 will multiply both the ratio into 42 into 42. 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 7 5s are 35. This is 35 and 7 6 are 42, 6 6 are 36. That means this ratio is more. 6 is to 7 is more than 5 is to 6. 5 is to 6. This is rough work. Now next one is 19 by 25 and another one is 37 by 50. Again we will find the LCM of 25 and 50. 25 and 50. So this is even number, so we can divide by 2. 2 can't divide 25, so write here 25. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So we will do with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. So 50 will multiply here 50 into 50. So 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 19 into 2, 38. 50 1s are 50, 50 1s are 50. So this one is 37. So this ratio is more, that means 19 is to 25 is more than 37 is to 50. Another question is 21 by 50 and here 43 by 100. We have to find LCM of 50 and 100. We'll do with 2. 2 25s are 50, 2 5s are 10, 0. We'll do with 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100. So 100 will multiply here 100 into 100. 100, 100 cancel. 0 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 21 into 2 42 and this is 43. So this one is more. 43 is to 100 is more than, another ratio is 21 is to 50. Another question is, which of the following sets of number are in proportion? So I have told you in proportion the product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Okay, so we will find first product of mean. So means mean the number which are in the middle. 3 into 22, 3 into 22, 66. Similarly we will find the product of the extreme. So here the extremes are 2 and 33. 2 into 33, 66. So here also we got 66. So product of mean and product of extremes are equal. Therefore the numbers are in proportion. So here the product of means and product of extremes are equal. So the four numbers which are given here are in proportion. Here also we will find the product of mean and product of extreme. So product of means means 6 and 12. 6 into 12. 72, and product of extreme 8 and 9. 8 into 9 again 72. So here we got the product of means and product of extremes are equal. So the four numbers are in proportion. So here the product of means and product of extremes are equal. The numbers are in proportion. Here question number C is same process. We will find the product of mean and product of extreme. So here the product of means 30 and 7. 30 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 210. And product of extremes 15 and 14. 15 and 14 again it is 210. So we got the product of means and product of extremes are equal. So here the product of means and product of extremes are equal. So the numbers are in proportion. Next one is find the missing numbers in the following proportion. Here the number is missing. Okay, so let's add your x. Okay, so let the missing terms be x. Now these are called the means and these are called the extremes. They are already in proportion. If the numbers are in proportion, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Means are 18 and 7. 18 and x. 18 into x, and the extremes are 24 and 9. 24 into 9. Since we need the value of x and this 18 is in multiplication, so this 18 will divide this right hand side. 18, you know, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 12. So the missing term x is equal to 12. So here again we will write missing terms x. Okay, now we know the product of means is equal to product of extreme. So x is in extreme. Okay, so let's write product of extreme first. Okay, so here I have written extremes first because x is in extreme. Okay, it will be easy. So 12 into x, extremes are 12 and x, and means are 16 and 9. 16 into 9. Now we need the value of x, and here 12 is in multiplication, so this 12 will divide this right hand side. So we can cancel this 16 and 12 by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now this 3 can divide 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So answer is 4 3s are 12. So the missing term x is 12. So here missing terms we will write x. Again x is in extreme. Okay, so we will write, first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. X is 220 is equal to 5 is to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 5 by 2. So here I have written extremes first because x is in extreme. So product of extremes is x into 5 by 2 is equal to 20 into 5, means are 20 and 5. So here, okay, this 5 by 2 is in multiplication, so it will divide this right hand side. X is equal to 20 into 5 divided by 5 by 2. Now this fraction we have to write up, no? So when we write this fraction up, we have to write the reciprocal, okay, because this is division. Whenever we convert this division into multiplication, we have to write the reciprocal. Now 5 and 5 cancel. 20 into 2, 40. So the missing term x is 40. Now here it is in mixed fraction. 2 tens are 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2. And missing fraction, let's write here x. Okay. Then x is equal to 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4. Now here x is in means, so we will write here product of means is equal to product of extreme. So means are x and 11 by 2. Product of means is equal to product of extreme, 21 by 2 into 11 by 4. Now this 11 by 2 we have to take on the right hand side, and here it is in multiplication. So it will go in division, whole divided by 11 by 2. Okay, now this fraction will write up. We have to write reciprocal, 21 by 2 into 11 by 4 into 2 by 11. This will become reciprocal. 11 11 cancel, 2 2 cancel. So here answer is 21 by 4. Okay, so this is improper fraction. We have to convert into mixed fraction. 4 5s are 20, 1 by 4. So the missing term x is 5 1 by 4. Question number 8 is find the fourth proportion in each of the following. So here are only 3 numbers. Okay, we don't know the fourth number, so let's write here x. Okay, you have to take, let the fourth proportion be x. So let the fourth proportion be x. So these are called mean, these are called extreme. So x is in extreme, so we will write product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Product of extremes are 16 and x. 16 into x, and means 12 and 4. 12 into 4. So we need the value of x, and x is 12 into 4 divided by 16. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So x is 3. That means fourth proportion is 3. So fourth proportion is 3. Similarly here, fourth proportion we will take x. So let the fourth proportion be x. Now we will write product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So means are 9 and x, 9 into x, and extremes are 9 and x, and means are 10 and 18. 10 into 18. Next line x will be 10 into 18 divided by 9. So we can cancel 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 20. X is 20, means the fourth proportion is 20. Now here also we will take x fourth proportion. So let the fourth proportion be x. Now we will write product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So extremes are 10 and x. 10 into x, and means are 20 and 15. So x is 20 into 15 by 10. You know 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So 2 into 15, 30. So the fourth proportion is 30. So fourth proportion is 30. So for today this much, okay. In next class we will do the remaining questions.